Today I made some lovely leave-in conditioner with our Lavender Pure Essential Oil. What you'll need to make it is a half a cup or 120 ml of pure aloe vera gel, a half a tablespoon or 7.5 ml of avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of your favorite conditioner. I've used a conditioning mask. Just need that extra moisture in my hair because I do colour it. And then you add in 10 drops of lavender pure essential oil. You can use rosemary, but I find the lavender just really nice smelling, and then you get the benefits of lavender, which is healing and calming too, and that sticks around with you for most of the day after putting the conditioner in your hair. Give it a good mix all together. It doesn't take too long. You just want to make sure that the oils and the gel and the conditioner are all mixed really well together and there's nothing separated. And then transfer it into a pump bottle. Make sure that it is a pump bottle and not a spray because it's quite a thick mixture and you'll need the pump. So you could reuse a hand wash bottle or an old leave-in conditioner bottle, something like that. Should work out really well for you. So once that's done, transfer it, put the lid on and give it a good shake every time you're going to use it. Just to combine the ingredients again in case they've come apart. You'll find our essential oils at emmas.ie. Thanks for watching.